Hey guys, today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Wow, good lightning. Wow, I bet lightning ain't messed up. This is the same thunderstorm we had since 2019, maybe? But don't get wet. This rain is super heavy. I feel like we're gonna get another flash flood warning. Just look at this beautiful rain. It's super wind. I don't know what to say about this. Anyways, this thunderstorm will take forever, so I have to split into two parts. My Lord, mercy, Dios santo mío. Severe T-storm warning is here, finally. Whoa! 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 That lighting is so bright! Man, that thing's so bright! I can't hear. I know you guys can hear me a little because of this heavy rain, and I don't want to get myself soaked. So, ooh, I'm sure this is the bad thunderstorm. Baby. I think if I knew it, I knew if rain is gonna come in, but now it's coming into the porch. But no, it isn't. But no. Time right now is about 5:30 p.m. 30 minutes until 6. Wow. This lightning keeps going non-stop. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just wow. Look at the river right now. It's so flooding. Focus. So low that it would take a nice to do that. So this should go to this going. This is going beautiful. Definitely do that. So now we're about to look at this weather. It's about to get flash flooding. Whoa! Ooh, wow. Ay, ay, ay. Loud thunder crack. Loudest thunder crack ever seen. I think no one heard that too. I bet lightning strike was over here. Bet it isn't. Don't blow bubbles at me. Wait, you can't do that in the rain. And about to get some very, very good thunderstorms, guys. I think the wind's starting the weekend now. I don't know when it is gonna be weekend, but I don't have to check the weather forecast. The weather forecast is about 68 degrees Fahrenheit with thunderstorms. The precipitation of 91%. Jesus. Don't talk. But it's a video. Ooh. That's our big old video here. And now, there's going to be more lightning. Lightning's going non-stop. I wonder if this could work. This lightning is crazy. I can't believe it. So it looks like I have to check the weather now. So I'll be making more thunderstorm videos in May. If there's be more thunderstorms in May, but last year there's only 2 thunderstorms in May, like May 4th and 11th, and the rest of May isn't. Whoa, Lord. Jeez. What is with this lightning? Guys, do you know what's with this lightning today? Comment below. Ay, ay. Whoa. What did I say whoa for? I don't know. Probably think it was funny. Do you think that this is funny? I don't. I think so too. Oh! Non-stop lightning it is. Non-stop lightning. Okay guys, I'm up to go for part 2, so I'll take this video in Snapchat, okay? Bye.